Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we're going to be opening up my Petit Vour box. So Petit Vour, I think that's how you say it because it's supposed to be like Petit Four, which is the little like tiny French desserts. And Vour is not a French word because I studied French and I would remember a weird word like Vour. So I think they're trying to just sound like Petit Four. They're talking about tiny French desserts, or they're trying to. So I assume everything is tiny size. This is the first time that I got this. It's a monthly subscription. In the US, it's $18 a month. For Canada, it's $23, and they do ship worldwide, and for that, it is $25 a month. But everything in the box is completely cruelty-free, which I appreciate, and I can't wait to get into it. Also, like, how cute and tiny is this box? It's like the size of my face, but it's just so cute. It's adorable. The box says, "Be bold, be kind, your cruelty-free beauty obsession starts here." And on top we have this little card. I'm assuming all of our prices are inside. This says "Je t'aime," which means I love you in French. And it is the February 2020 beauty box. This is super cute. It's kind of like I got like a greeting card, except it tells me how much everything is worth. So the first item I got is KVOSS Bronzing Potion Glow Cream, retail value $20. It says instant luminosity, no filter needed. This sheer illuminating cream gives a natural glow while moisturizing for a soft, radiant complexion. So then the next item is the Little Barn Apothecary Honeysuckle and Grapefruit Body Oil for $14. This says quench your skin's thirst with the moisture locking body oil scented with pink citrus and sun-drenched white blossoms. Apply all over for a youthful glow. And the retail value for this is $14. The next company is Speak. This is deodorant cream for $12. A gentle yet effective natural deodorant with a creamy texture that glides on to give you satin soft protection. Arrowroot powder, kaolin clay, and magnesium protect against odor and excess sweating, while lavender essential oil keeps you smelling fresh. This next item is from Blissoma. It's Refined Clay Renewal Treatment Mask. Apply once a week for 15 minutes to draw out impurities, refine skin texture, improve hydration, and prevent and treat breakouts. You can also use it as an overnight spot treatment for blemishes. And the last item is from Juice Beauty. It is an antioxidant serum, retail value $6. It says this serum is like a daily vitamin for your skin. Use after cleansing and before moisturizing to infuse your skin with a healthy dose of resveratrol and hyaluronic acid. So part of their mission is actually to get people to move over to cruelty-free. I already like to purchase only cruelty-free items, so for me this is kind of like a box that suits me. I do purchase other beauty boxes that are not cruelty-free, and I will use the items in there. I'm not going to throw them away. I feel like that's ridiculous. It's already created and shipped to me, but I don't want to support brands with my monetary money unless it's a cruelty-free brand. So this box actually helps me find new products that I might be willing to purchase for cash at like Sephora, Ulta, or someplace like that. So it is helping me find new brands that are cruelty-free because that's always something that I personally am on the lookout for. So it actually looks like I did not get any makeup in this. It's pretty much all skincare. I was gonna try it on and put it all over my face, but I think we're just gonna do like a smell and feel on my like body, like hand or arm. Let's start with the KVOSS Bronzing Potion. I do think that the retail value they give you on there is for the size that they give you, but I will double check that and verify it, and if that is not true, you'll know because it's on screen right now. So it looks like the ingredients in here are coconut water, mineral mica, so that's going to give it some kind of shimmer there. It is an interesting color, like it's a bronzy color. Oh wow. I do think it's giving it like, you can see it in certain lighting where it gave it like a darker bronzy tone to it. It is a little bit shimmery. They call it instant luminosity, so I guess it's that shimmery part of it. It says it can be worn alone or it can be worn over makeup. So I don't know if I would like this bronzer just because it has so much shimmer in it, but I mean, we could add some right now and see what it's gonna look like on my face. It just doesn't seem like the type of product that I would gravitate to, but that doesn't mean it's a bad product. I'm just like such an oily mess that like anything too shiny, it makes me look like a friggin' pizza. I actually think that's pretty good. It's like subtle, it's not too bad. Do I look like I've been in the sun now? That product was also completely unscented, at least I couldn't smell anything. So let's move on to the second product, which is definitely not unscented because it says it is honeysuckle and grapefruit scented. This is an oil. It's a body oil, so it's fine if I'm gonna use it here. It says to dispense it in your palm and then massage over damp skin. I don't really have damp skin, but I guess that's how you would use a body oil. Oh, it smells so good. The first ingredient is sesame oil, but I don't smell any of that sesame scent to it. Honeysuckle, it smells so good. I love the scent of honeysuckle. It's one of my favorite flowers. So it is fragrance free. It has like a honeysuckle extract and it has like a citrus grapefruit type extract. So that is how it's getting the scent, or it has grapefruit essential oil. Yeah, it has grapefruit essential oil. So it has sesame oil, jojoba seed oil. I think there was a third oil that I don't fully remember, vitamin E, and then those two ingredients that is producing the smell. It smells so good. If you love honeysuckle, you would really love this. It smells so, so good. It's like really refreshing. So the next product was actually the deodorant cream from Speak. I have a really, really hard time finding natural deodorants that I like. I'm usually like, give me all the aluminum. I don't care what it's gonna do to me, which is complete opposite of almost everything else that I stand for in the other skincare that I use because I avoid so many other things. But it's just like, I have a intense fear of not smelling good, and I have not found a natural deodorant that makes me feel safe yet. This one says it's supposed to smell like lavender, but I don't really get that. It has arrowroot powder and coconut oil, so already I don't really like that it has coconut oil because if something's staying on me long term and has coconut oil, it does clog my pores. It does not do that for everyone. If you use oils on your face, every face reacts differently to every type of oils. Some people can completely take their makeup off with coconut oil, and then other people just like it kills their skin. Some people can do it with olive oil, and for those people, like it's vice versa, you know? So you have to find the oil that actually works with your skin. Coconut oil is not mine. I don't think that it's actually a bad ingredient. It's just not my favorite ingredient personally, and I think it depends on your skin type and exactly what your skin wants. So make sure you're listening to your skin whenever you're using oils. I don't know how I feel about this because I also just don't really like the scent. It does not smell like lavender to me. It smells kind of like herbs. It smells very herbal. And for me, I don't really want to smell like that. I do like the idea of doing a natural deodorant, so I think this is a really cool product to have in there. Next, we have the Blissoma Refine Clay Renewal Treatment. This is actually a clay mask. It's pretty thick and it smells really good. So this says to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. I don't like that it's gritty. For me, it's not a big deal, but I don't like when they put that in masks kind of for no reason. So they say that their products are like holistic and all natural skincare. Kind of cool. I definitely want to read a little bit more about this. They are certified both vegan and cruelty-free for all of their products. So normally the full size is a $40 product and this one is 10, so this is about a quarter of the size. Wow, this has a lot of ingredients actually for being an all-natural product. Usually I feel like they have less ingredients. This has so much going on. It has fennel fruit, chickweed leaf, lavender flower. That's probably the scent that I'm getting because it's kind of floral. I didn't actually feel like it was intensely lavender though. Rose, so rose scent probably in there as well. It has nori seaweed. It also has celery juice, which I don't think I have seen in a beauty product or mask before. It does have coconut oil in it. It also has watermelon seed oil in it. It has squalene in it, extracts licorice root. It has willow bark. Honestly, there's so many ingredients. I can't even read them all to you. This would take forever. This has a lot of citrus in it, so if you had sensitive skin, I wouldn't really use it. It also has kind of like a grittiness to it, so I don't know if it would be the best thing for extremely sensitive skin. My skin can take a lot, so I'm totally going to use this and it's going to be just fine. But there are some things that people with sensitive skin have to avoid. This is a lot of stuff that I think you would avoid if you had sensitive skin. I do love the smell though. It's like kind of floral, but like in such a light way. So the last product is the Juice Beauty Antioxidant Serum. Everything in this is certified organic. I'm going to just use just a tad because I definitely want to save this for later. This one does not really have a scent. It's supposed to be full of antioxidants, so free radicals are our natural environment. The toxins in our air and our water and like everything can cause damage and aging, and so having antioxidants stops those free radicals, or that's the purpose of antioxidants, is kind of to stop those free radicals. That's why you would put them in your skincare. And so this is an antioxidant serum. So it's for anti-aging and kind of like reducing that damage that we get on a daily basis from the things that we put on and that our natural environment just kind of does to our skin every day. So I'm gonna say this about Juice Beauty. You've definitely heard me say it about Juice Beauty before during those like FabFitFun add-on or edit sales, because they seem to always have Juice Beauty. It has a lot of plant and fruit extracts in it and oils in it. So if you have any fruit or plant allergies, you really need to take a good look at this list that they have for each product. Sometimes it's a scientific name, so you might also want to look that up, because there are people that say in the reviews that they have reactions to this, and I feel like it's probably an allergic reaction to something that person is probably allergic to, but they don't know because the ingredients list is not clear about it. It also has some really great vitamins. It has like vitamin B5 in it. I think it also had vitamin C in it, but I don't remember. It definitely had vitamin E in it. It has CoQ10 in it. So a lot of cool like multivitamin for your face kind of treatment, and has like algae. There's a lot of really good stuff in it. I'm really excited to try it. I don't have any allergies to anything in it, but again, make sure you're checking that, just because this is one of those brands where it can slip by you. So that is my first Petit Vour box. I hope that I'm saying it right, and if you know how to say it and you can pronounce it somehow by typing it down below, help a girl out. Let me know what you think about the box. Sound off down below. What was your favorite item? Have you actually tried any of the 5 items that I received? And like, would you try them again? What was your thoughts? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!